everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you the activity plans for Thursday, Friday and Saturday for week 2. We have already introduced some of the activities on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and today we are also going to reinforce some of the activities and also introduce some new activities. My name is Anita Shastri and I make educational videos. If you are new here and if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and comment. And also, please share my videos with your family and friends so they can also benefit. And remember to click on the bell icon so you get the notification when I upload new videos. Alright, let's start. So on Thursday, after they have taken shower, brushed their teeth and breakfast, everything else, you're going to show them how to fold the clothes. So this way, the children are going to learn what type of clothes they wear and then how to fold the clothes. So this way, and then they will also know that each and everything has a place, has a home for itself. So after they fold the clothes, then they have to keep it in their place. So that means they know that the trousers has a room for itself and then the t-shirts have a home. So this is a way of introducing them to keep their things in its own place. And then also give them some socks and then let them match it according to the size, color or designs, and then introduce them to saying pair, two, a pair of socks, two. A pair means two. So we are introducing them. And also teach them what type of clothes they wear and how do they wear it, like sequencing. So we are introducing sequencing to them here. First they wear the underwear and then trousers and then the vest, and then later on they wear the t-shirt or a shirt, whatever it is in the boys' case. And in the girls' case they wear their underwears or underpants, and then they wear leggings or trousers and then a singlet and a top. So this way you are going to teach them like this, after this comes, and after this comes. So this is like a sequence. So later on when we are doing different activities, this sequencing will be very important for them. So here we are introducing them matching games when they have to match the socks, and they are learning what pair means, and they are also learning what is sequencing. So this is a good way to introduce them to their folding the clothes as well as for sequencing as well as pairs, and everything has a home. So we are developing many skills here for the children. So on this day, you can also give them some water to place, like water tray. If you have a tub, that also works. And if you think that they are going to spill the water, put a towel, a big towel underneath that, and then place the tub over there. And then you give them some cups and plates and spoons and a sieve as well. So let them transfer the water from using a spoon, like scoop it and then pour it into another container. So this way they are developing their hand-eye coordination, which is very important, and also their fine motor skills. I know some of you have asked me what is fine motor skills and why is it important for children's development. This is coming in my next video. All right. So they are going to pour it. They are going to take a spoon and then maybe scoop the water and then pour it into a container. Let them use the sieve as well, and then let them see if they can scoop the water and pour it into the container and what's happening. So here they are using their observational skills and what happens when they use a cup instead of a sieve, and how easy it is to take the water and then pour it into the container. And so this is like a good exercise for them, and they are learning the new techniques as well here. And you can also give them some feather and maybe a stone or a card, whatever, which is a bit heavy, and then ask them to put it in the water and see what happens. So when they put a stone, say for example, a stone, and then see what happens, and it sinks. And then when you give them the feather, and the feather floats. So here you introduce them to opposites, float and sink. And then also you're going to give them any other things to see if it floats or if it sinks. So this can be a good experiment as well, and showing them like heavy object sinks and light objects floats. So you are introducing them to sink and float, and heavy and light. So two opposites. And on this day, you can also introduce them to emotions. I think we introduced it on Wednesday. So here you're going to reinforce it. And while reading a book or while playing, you can say like, how do you feel? Are you happy? Or are you sad? So talk about the emotions and let them express their emotions here. And then at the end of the day, when you're reading a book, and the physical activities, you can do any physical activities you want on this day. Some action songs or going for a walk in the nature, whichever you choose. And then at the end of the day, when you read a book, and then later you can also introduce them to saying thank you for the day. If you believe in God, you can say like, ask the children to say thank you to God for the beautiful day. Or if you don't believe in anything, just say thank you. Here in Norway, when you go to a canteen or to a restaurant, and after the food you always say takk for maten. That means like thank you for the food. Even at home also, so you say thank you for the food for your parents, whoever is cooking. So this is a good way to express gratitude. So nowadays the children, they don't show so much gratitude, and they're not so thankful and grateful for the things what they have. So this is a good way to start teaching them how to value things and how to be thankful and grateful for the things what they have, or for the people who are there in their life as well. So you can introduce them saying thank you for everything for the day. So this is good. I believe in this, and I always even teach that in my class as well for my children. So they always say thank you, yeah, most of the times. And then on Friday, so we are going to introduce them to circle shape, of course, after their morning breakfast and dressing up and everything else. So you can show them draw a circle, and then they can also draw a circle, and then introduce them to circle. Say for example, there is a plate at home, and then you can say like, this is a circle shaped plate, or any of the toys which is circular. So you can show them that's a circle. And then if you have a toilet roll, so just take the toilet roll and then maybe take some paint in a plate, and then let them dip it in the paint, and then put it on a paper. So this way they are making an activity, and then it's a circle shape. Or if you don't want to do that, just draw a circle and let them paint inside the circle, or draw a circle and then let them color it in. So this is a good way to introduce them to shapes. And then you can also play a scavenger hunt game. So they have to go and find things at home which is circular shape. They really enjoy these type of games to play at home. It's also very easy. So you have lots of things which is circular shape, so they can bring that thing. And then later on, you can also read a book. And then on this day, you have already introduced them previously alphabet A. So while reading the book, they have to find out A, and if possible, count how many A's they find. And this is just if they are very little and they know only 1 and 2 numbers, so it doesn't matter. So they can say A, they can point out to where A is. So this is a good way to reinforce the alphabet and the number what they have studied previously. And also at night, you can ask the children, if you have an ice tray, so take an ice tray and ask them to pour some water into the ice tray and freeze it. So here you can also tell them like the water is liquidy, so it flows, and then put it in the ice tray and you freeze it, and let's see what happens in the morning with the water. So they're going to use this for tomorrow's activity. And on Saturday, after they have finished their breakfast, everything else, you can introduce them to color red. I don't know why, but red color is the easiest color to introduce for the children. So this is the basic first beginning color, and it's very attractive, and the children learn very quickly, and it's easier for them to say red as well. So you're going to introduce them red color, and then you can play a scavenger hunt game where they have to go and find things which are red color. Here you can also add circles. So maybe you can say like, go and find a red circle. shape at home, or if they have anything book which has red color, so they can find red color. So anything which is red from their toy box, they can bring it to you, and then you can introduce them, and then also take the ice tray out and show it to them. They poured some water into the ice the previous day, and they put it in the freezer, and then now it's become ice. It's like a cube, and it's strong as well, and then it's hard. So and then keep one ice cube on a plate and let it sit there, and with the rest of the ice cubes what they have, let them paint it with red color. So this is very good activity for them, teaching painting as well, and they can paint on whatever they want to, and then see what happens. And then later on, after some time, let them see what happened to the ice cube on the plate. So you can say like it freezes when it's cold, and then it melts when it's hot. So this is a good way to teach them hot and cold. So when they touch, so it's good for their feel as well, feeling senses. So when they touch, it's cold. So this is a very good activity, and children enjoy painting on the ice. So this way we have finished all the activities for week 2. And if you want me to continue for week 3 and week 4 and further on, then I'm going to make the videos. Otherwise, I'm just going to make the videos only for my clients who have already asked for me to make these videos. And I hope you have all enjoyed all the activities which we have done here for the children, and introducing them to different activities, and also developing lots of different skills here. And let me see, in the next video I'm going to make a video for fine motor skills, and hope it will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a lovely day. Enjoy, everyone. And also please share these videos with your friends and families, so let them also enjoy and get benefits of all the activities what we do.